I welcome you to this Mathematics Paper 1 representation. So in this video, we are going to answer only two questions, question A and question B. So question A is coming from mensuration, specifically it is a sector part. And question B is coming from computer. Okay, so let me not forget, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe for more videos and also share this video to your friends. Okay, so the first question is saying, the figure below is a sector POQ whose angle at the center O is 60 degrees. So the center is called the theta. The center of the angle, let me say the angle at the center, it is called the theta. Okay. Then the question is saying, given that the radius of the sector is 21 centimeters, calculate its area. Take pi to be 22/7. So now in this case here, the first thing that you need to know is the formula. So the formula for calculating the area of the sector is like this. Okay. So area of the sector, which is denoted by capital A, is equal to theta over 360 multiplied by pi. Now in this case here, our pi, it is what? 22/7. So it is 22/7 multiplied by r squared. Now, under r squared, we can say r multiplied by r or r squared. It's fine, okay? Then apart from that one, you need to identify the data that they have given us. So in this case here, we have theta, which is 60 degrees. And the radius in this case, it is what? 21 centimeters, okay? So in the place of theta, we are going to put what? 60. So I'm going to say, then in the place of radius, we are going to put what? 21. So I'm going to say area is equal to, the value of theta is what? 60 over 360. Okay. Then from there now, I'm going to multiply it by pi, which is 22/7, multiplied by, so here I was saying r squared or r multiplied by r. So I'm going to take r multiplied by r, which is 21 multiplied by what? 21. Then from there now, the 0 from 60 is going to cancel with the 0 from 360. Okay, so let's hope you have gotten my point here. The 0 from 60 is going to cancel with the 0 from 360. Okay, then apart from that one, 7 into 7, I'm going to get what? 1. Then 7 into 21, I'm going to get what? 3. So let me try to rewrite this. So I'm going to say area is equal to 6/36. 6/36 multiplied by what? 22 multiplied by 21 multiplied by what? 3. Okay. Then from there now, I'm going to say 6 into 6, that is what? 1. Then 60 into 36, I'm going to get what? 6. So let me also try to rewrite this one. So area is equal to what? 1/6 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 21 multiplied by what? 3. So here I'm going to say 3 into 6. 3 into 6, I'm going to get what? 2. 3 into 3, I'm going to get what? 1. So here I'm remaining with what? 1/2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 21. Okay, so let me try to write them. So I'm going to say area is equal to 1/2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 21. So I'm going to say 2 into 2. The answer is what? 1. Then 2 into 22. The answer is what? 11. So in this case here, we are remaining with what? Area is equal to 11 multiplied by what? 21. So let me try to multiply them separately. So I'm going to say 21 multiplied by 11. So 1 multiplied by 1, that is what? 1. 1 multiplied by 2, that is what? 2. Then we are done with the first one. So 1 multiplied by 1, that is what? 1. 1 multiplied by 2, that is what? 2. Now let's try to add them. 1 plus 0, we are going to get 1. Then 2 plus 1, I'm going to get what? 3. 0 plus 2, I'm going to get what? 2. So I can say the figure here, it is what? 231. Now here we are calculating the what? The area of the sector. So I'm going to say area of the sector is equal to 231 centimeters squared. So area is measured in centimeters squared or meters squared. So now in this case here we are going to say it's what? Centimeters squared. Okay, so that is what? The area of the sector. Then the next question, which is question B, is saying, in the answer below is an incomplete flowchart program for calculating the curved surface area. So here we are calculating the curved surface area, which is denoted by capital letter A of a cone, with the base radius, which is denoted by r or small letter r, and slant height, which is denoted by what? S. Now, for us to calculate the curved surface area here, we need which means we need to enter radius, which is denoted by r, and also we need to enter slant height, which is denoted by what? S. For us to calculate the curved surface area, we need to enter what? Radius and the slant height. Okay. So the question is saying complete the program. So now after start we are having this shape here. This shape here, it is called the what? The parallelogram. This shape is called what? The parallelogram. Now what you are supposed to put in the parallelogram is the thing or the items or the numbers or the variables that you are going to use to calculate now the curved surface area. You need to enter things that you need to have, or yes, the things that you need to have for you to calculate what? The curved surface area. So now in this case here, for us to calculate the curved surface area of the cone, we need to have what? Radius and the slant height. So now on this parallelogram here, we are going to say radius, which is what? R. Don't like radius, but just like what? R, like this. Apart from R, we are going to say comma S, because for us to calculate the curved surface area of the cone, we need to have two things. That is what? The radius and the slant height. Then the next shape, which is followed by the parallelogram, this one is called the rectangle. So in the rectangle, you put what? Formulas. In the rectangle, you put what? Formulas. So now in this case here, what are we calculating for? Or what are we calculating in this question here? We are calculating the what? The area. Let me say the curved surface area of the cone. So in this case here, I'm going to say area, which is denoted by what? Capital letter A, is equal to R star AC. So in the computer, as for multiplication, we use what? Star. So I'm going to say area is equal to what? R star S. That's so. Okay. So that was the last one. Thanks for watching.